Hello, what's up, guys? In here, I want to make chili sauce. TERASI chili sauce. First, we're gonna heat the oil until hot, and after that, we're gonna input this but not this yeah, not red sugar, salt, and salad. I'm gonna input tomato, uh, raw chili, big chili, and garlic, and what is this? Oh yeah, red onion. And we're gonna input first is garlic. And red onion, tomato, and the end is the chili. The all of the chili is too. Take it and put in the chow bag. Yeah, that is the chow bag, and we put the salt, salad, and the end is red sugar. Just 2 spoons of tea. Okay. Wait. You can also do it when I'm doing it with the chobik or anything what you can do. I'm gonna use this. It's like hammer. Okay. Ow. Hot. Hot. Wait until all is done.
2,000 years later.
Don't forget to trust me. Okay, this is all done of my sausage chili sauce, and thank you for you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and done. Bye. Bu, itu digorengnya sampai kapan, Bu? Enggak. Sekarang diangkat. Oh shit. No.